Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to show you guys how Checkout 51 works. It's really easy. You just need to download the app. Once you download the app, you're going to create an account by putting in an email address and passcode. Once you get that all set up, it's going to take you to this. Well, I actually clicked on details, but the home page will pop up and you can get started by clipping offers, but I did want to show you the details on this. It's pretty similar to all other rebate apps. This one is a little bit different, so we'll just talk about it just in case there's anything here you're not familiar with. So what you'll want to do is add the offers to the list before you shop. If you try to do it afterwards, they may not accept it, and then you'll want to shop in the store before the offers expire, or they could even potentially run out. That's something to keep in mind when you're doing these rebates, and you'll want to upload your receipt, so make sure you have a physical receipt. Once you get to $20, you can cash out through your PayPal account. So if you need to set up a PayPal account if you don't have one. That's the way that I check out. I don't know of any other ways. There might be gift card options, but I always choose PayPal. And then you can add new offers every Sunday. So you'll want to check out the offers every Sunday as much as you can. Try to remember on Sunday to go and clip them, because once they're gone, and they're all taken up, they are gone. So all right, so we're going to go to the home page, and I'm going to show you what that looks like. So you'll see this home page here. The first selection is going to be cash back offers, and the second is instant offers. And then down at the bottom, you'll see home, search, redeem, and extras. I'm going to show you all those in just a moment, but let's go ahead and go to cash back offers. And this is where you're going to add your offers to your account. So say for instance, I want to get the $2 back when I buy 5 Pepsi Cola products and Frito products. So I'm just going to actually hit the plus sign here, and I can only do that offer one time. And if you go down to like the Welch's and you hit the plus sign, that's only giving it to me one time as well. But there are other items that you can do more than one time, such as these Keebler cookies. You just hit the plus sign. And what you want to do with Checkout 51 is make sure the store that you're shopping at is valid for that particular rebate. So for instance, the Keebler cookies is only valid at Dollar General. So if you click on the offer, it's going to give you all of the details, what the offer is valid on, how many times you can claim it. It does say you cannot use the offer with any other print or in-app coupon or rebate, so just keep that in mind and do what you will with that. I haven't had a problem with it interfering with me receiving an offer if I were to submit it here and on Ibotta, but do that at your own discretion. If you're not comfortable doing that, then that is up to you. And then it says here valid only at Dollar General. And then down at the bottom, it just kind of gives you the time frame of when you can submit it and any other stipulations. That's kind of just their disclaimers there, but that's how that looks like when you click on the offer details. And like I said, you can see like these Werthers are only good at Aldi. Some are good at Walmart, some say all stores, but you do want to click on it and make sure your store is in there. Sometimes it'll say all stores, and then if you click on it, it'll say valid only at, and it will list a whole bunch of stores, and it may not have the store that you're shopping at. So just always check on that. Okay, so this one says select stores here, and when you click on it, it gives you the select stores that are eligible for this rebate. And as you can see, Stater Brothers is not on here. So if I was to shop there, I wouldn't be able to redeem this offer. So that is what all the offers look like. It looks like they're adding more. Shopmium did merge over to Checkout 51, so they may be adding more because of that, which is great because they were kind of slacking on the offers for quite a while. The other option is instant offers. I haven't really used this, but I do know how to use it. You're basically going to clip whatever one that you want to use. So I did go ahead and clip all of these. I just selected, there's a little empty box like this here, and you just select it just like that. And you save the selected offers. And then when you go to checkout, you at the very top here, you click view saved offers. And then all your saved offers are going to come up here. And when you're at checkout, you just hit redeem instant offers here at the bottom. You're going to select your retailer. So say you're at Walmart. In store, you could do it in store or at walmart.com. And then here it's actually giving you the instructions on how to do it. So you can just follow the instructions there, but it's basically scanning this OTC network. Now you just have to be careful because this might interfere with your totals if you have to get to a certain threshold at pharmacies. So you do want to keep that in mind. I have heard that it had affected totals. So say you had to spend $30 to get $10 back, then it may bump that down and throw that off a little bit. So if you know anything more about that, if you had any experience, please leave it in the comments for the rest of us. Like I said, I haven't used it very often, so I couldn't really speak on that, but just I've heard of that happening in the past. And down at the bottom, you can search for an item. Unfortunately, they do not have the barcode scanner yet. Hopefully they do get that soon. So say if you wanted to look up some like butter or something, you could just search that. And if they do have an offer, it will come up. Looks like it's searching. It's probably not going to be anything available. It is kind of slow, so I'm hoping they work out the kinks on that. Let's see, I think I know we could just do some soap. Hopefully a lot of soap will come up because I did see quite a bit of soap offers. For some reason the search is not working too well for me right now. I'm not sure why. Okay, maybe it's something with their app, but usually you can just search it there and it'll come up. And then when you go to claim, you can just select all the items that you did purchase. You'll hit continue and you'll just take a picture of your receipt and then it'll process. So it's pretty easy, self-explanatory there. And then for extras, a really cool thing is they do have gas rebates. So if you go to extras and look for a particular gas station, let's just choose this one here. This particular gas station is actually giving back, this is Circle K, 24 cents a gallon back. And it's going to actually tell you what the price is for gas at that location. And you can, search the area that you live in and see what's available and look around, and you can scan your receipt in after you select it. You do have to go and add the offer first, and you have to use it within 4 hours. So just make sure you're prepared and you're doing it, within 4 hours, and then submitting your receipt right away, and make sure you get a receipt to actually uploads. That is how that works, which is pretty neat to get some money back on gas. You can also shop online and say, for instance, you do Uber Eats, you're going to get 25.2% cash back. Yes, that's on new customers, but if you're a current customer, no, I don't know if that one's an option. I was thinking that was a current customer option, but it just says new customers ride with Uber online. That one's also a new customer for Uber ride. But like booking.com, DoorDash, DoorDash is giving $4.01 back. So that's pretty good. Did I say Uber ride is giving $6.30 cash back? So yeah, you could click on it and look at the details of that and kind of see what all the terms and conditions are, and make sure you're doing everything you need to do to get that offer. And then surveys are also an option. So if you're just sitting at home bored and you want to knock out some surveys, they don't give a whole lot back on the ones that I've done, but there is an opportunity to get those back. Here are some of the surveys you can choose, and as you can see, they give you an amount that you would get back, but they make you go through a process to see if they let you qualify for the survey first, and if you don't, they'll at least give you 2 cents for your time. But if you do qualify, that's the amount that you can actually get. So yeah, and there's also a pharmacy option. You can use this prescription savings card. You can look into it to see if that's beneficial to you. It may be, if you do have to pay a lot for your prescriptions, you may want to look at that, and you can look to see how it works. There's all of the steps there, so you can take advantage of that as well. So that is pretty much how Checkout 51 works. I believe they're going to get better and better. I have had them for a very long time. I've used them since I started couponing back in 2014. Definitely worth it. I've saved a lot of money over the years, and yeah, once you get to $20, you can cash it out. Hopefully they add more options on how you can cash out, but as of right now, the last time I've cashed out, it's been a while now, but it was through PayPal. So, all right, I hope this was helpful. Let me know what else you would like to see. If you would like to see any other videos on any other apps or any other things on how to create accounts or anything like that, just let me know what you'd like to see, and I will make sure to get a video out to you so that you can know the steps and how to take advantage of these amazing rebate apps and other ways to save money. All right, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.